Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back. I was a little under the weather last week, but I'm back. I'm here in Hobby Lobby, and I see that they have a lot of craft things that they've put out. So if you are a craft girl or guy, they have these Valentine craft hearts here for $2.99. It comes with 12 pieces. They also have the heart ornaments here, 4 pieces for $3.99. They have a lot of the bookmarks here. They have the paper puppets for $3.99. These are the bookmarks here for 24 pieces for $2.99. They have the paper wheels here for $3.99. And they pretty much have a lot of stuff. If you're into crafting or anything of that nature, they have a nice selection of things that you can purchase for Valentine's Day. They have this dress-up kitty kit here, makes 12. That's $4.99. They have these lacy hearts here for $2.99. Those are very cute, and it comes in turquoise, red, pink, purple. Some of them are glitter, and some of them are not. They have a lot of the little stickers here, 250 stickers for $5.99. I see they have these Valentine's wall decors up here for $15.99. They also have these wreaths here. These are very pretty. Let me step back a little bit. These are going for $17. They have these little ornaments right here. If you have a Valentine's tree, it says "I love my friends" for $2.99. They have these little plaques here, these little wall plaques here for $7.99. They have these right here, Happy Valentine's Day. They have those in white, and I see that they have that one in pink there. They have this one right here, Oh My Heart. All of these are going for $3.99. They have these Love You More for $3.99, and Love You to the Moon and Back. These are also going for $3.99 as well. But as you can see, they have a lot of things here. They have these little table decors right here, wood decor. And they come black, white. I see a gray one back there. These are going for $2.99. Okay, I also see these nice little Happy Valentine's Day wall decors up here for $15.99. They have those, a lot of these ones right here for $9.99. It says welcome. They have those red and galvanized ones right there. Those are going for $7.99. We also have some smaller ones there as well. They have this little cute sign right here pointing to the right for $3. And they also have this garden art kit by Magnolia Lane for $11.99. A lot of little cute banners here for $9.99. They have this one here in gray and black. Little burlap banners here for $4.99. That's the smallest one. And the larger one, oh, this is actually a bag, a drawstring bag, is $3.99. Alright guys, so if you're looking forward to spruce your table up or to have a romantic dinner, they have these nice little table, lace table runners here for $5.99. They have these little cute, I think these are actually magnets, but they're going for $4.99. Look how cute those are. You have those. If you're wanting an apron, the aprons are going for $15. They have the mini mitts here for $4.99. They have the little spatulas here for $4.99. They have that roller up there for $9. And they have some nice little table, I'm sorry, I just had a brain freeze, of towels here. They range at $5.99. You're my cup of tea, love and loved. That one right there with the little kitty on it says you're perfect. This one is going for $5. So pretty much all of these are going for $5, guys. These are very nice. Look at these heart placemats here. Those are very nice. They're going for $2.99. So I have these white plates right here that says love. And they also have some red ones. Let me see what the prices of the white ones are. These are $7.99. And the red ones are, let's see here if I can pull it out. I don't think I can. Yeah, I can't pull it out, guys, but they have the red ones here. They also have these little houses that light up. And I think it has a heart on the inside, if you can see what that looks like, but they're going for $2.99. They have these little tabletop decors right here. You can put like a mini cake on it or something like that for $2.99. They have a lot of the cups here for $7.99 that says love. They have the little cups here for $2.99. It says gal pal. This one says kiss me. They have these red jars down here where you can put little tea lights in for $4.99. They have these little cactus plants here for $3.99. And guys, look how cute these are here. These are actually $3.99. Those little characters right there. They have this little sign right here that says love for $2.99. And I also see some of these little plastic red plates right here. They are going for $1.99. They have the picks there for $2.99. The love picks. They have the heart picks. They have the banners up there for $5.99. Alright guys, so if you're looking for a real nice centerpiece, they have these scatters and fillers here for $4.99 with the red hearts. They have them in red and white. They also have the ball fillers here for $4.99. More bigger scatters here and fillers. The red fillers are $4.99. They have these nice little picks here if you have a Valentine's tree. But these are $4.99. More of the little picks here. This one says kiss. Let's see, this one kiss. They have one that says hug. And those fillers actually come in pink as well, guys. And look at these pretty heart Valentine garlands up here. They are going for $9.99. And this garland right here is $1.99. But as you can see, they have a lot of things right here. Look at these picks right here. These are pink. They're going for $4.99. And they also have these sticks picks right here. This one says be mine. They're all ranging in $3.99. This one says love you. They have these ones as well. And these are going for $2.99. More picks, guys. They have these right here, $2.99. All of these picks are $2.99. But the good thing about this is when the sale goes off, there will be a nice sale going on if these are a little too expensive for you. These are the mini bead ropes here, and you can get all of these things once the sale comes on. You can have them for next year. They have that table decor right there. That's what it looks like for $4.99. They have the garland for $5.99. And they also have these table decors, these wall decors right here. They all range in $6.99, but they have different ones. This one says love. Happy Valentine's Day. Alright guys, so as I'm browsing through the store, I see this little end cap right here. It has this little section where it has sloths and llamas on them. Look how cute this are. This is a to-do list. TikTok stationery set for $5.99. They have this little bag here for $7.99. They have these little sloths right here. It looks like a penny jar for $3.99. They have this little book right here, a little to-do book here for $3.99. But they have a lot of little nice things here. If you have a journal, they have things for that as well. They have a daily task manager here. This here is going for $4.99. They have this little cute bag here. It's like a mini coin pouch, $4.99. They also have socks here, guys. Look at those. The llama socks for $4.99. And they have this luggage tag here with the llama on it for $5.99. Alright guys, I think I'm up a little too far, but look at these little bird houses right here. They are having a 40% off spring shop sale. I just wanted you to take a look at these and see what they are. Look how cute that one is right there. They also have this little birdhouse with a bee. And they all range in different prices. Look like most of them are $19.99, $24.99. Look at this one right here. This one is $24.99, a little camper here. Look at that. Look how cute that is. But they have a lot of little birdhouses right here. They have the smaller ones as well. They have this one right here. They have that one right there, another little camper there that says beach on the front for $17.99. And again, these are 40% off. They have that one right there. I love that one right here. This one is going for $17.99, 40% off. Now this little end cap right here, I really love. Everything pretty much is yellow with beads, 40% off. Look at that little pretty wall decor right there. The flower doesn't dream of the bee. It blossoms and the bee comes. Look how cute that is. They also have the bee here, and he is going for $15. They have this little sign right here that says "Be Happy." $7.99, 40% off. They have these little, they look like cake plates, metal containers, and these are going for $11.99. It's 2. They have this little table decor right here at Be Happy. The price of it is going for $7.99. Be thankful. And look at this little bee holder right here. Look how cute that is. It's actually a bowl where you can put little different things. Maybe find some fillers that you can put on the inside for $19.99. But everything on this little end cap right here is very nice. Everything is in yellow. I love these little nice candle holders right here for $4.99. And they also have the bigger one here as well, $11.99. Alright guys, I was also intrigued by this little end cap right here, but it has a tiger on it. This table decor is 50% off. They have that tiger plaque here for $11.99. They also have this wall decor right here. I don't actually see a price on it. Yes, I do. It's $24.99. That's very pretty. They have these little tiger makeup bags right here, or pouches, whatever you want to put inside, for $3.99. They have these little candle holders right here for $5.99. They have clips here. Leopard is my favorite. And excuse me guys, that is a leopard, not a tiger. These are going for $2.99. I'm all over the place today. I'm sorry, guys. They have the pens, and they also have the daily planners if you're looking to plan, start a planner this year. They have these planners for $2.99. They also have a lot of little table decor right here. Everything on this table, on this end cap right here, is really nice. It's pretty much like a safari theme, guys. I love those green plates right there. They have this little trinket dish right here, $9.99. They have this little pretty table decor for $6.99. And they also have the leopard here, and he is going for $7.99. But they have a lot of nice things to choose from, guys, if you're looking for anything home decor, anything for Valentine's Day, new wall decor, things of that nature. But guys, I do want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Like I said, I've been out due to, I had a real bad cold. I'm back now, and I'm ready to show more content. Look how pretty these little jars are right here. These are going for $13. And they also have the smaller ones right here for, well, these are actually more expensive These are $17. But I do want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. And again, thank you so much for stopping by my channel, and I hope to see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys. Those are real pretty.